Hi, I'm Dwayne with American Dawn. American Dawn is the global leader in reusable textile solutions, manufacturing and distributing uniforms and linens for the healthcare, hospitality, food service, and industrial industries. We're a family-run company built on quality, innovation, and lasting partnerships. You're watching our educational series. Let's get into it. In healthcare, cleaning isn't just about appearances, it's about protecting patients. Every day, 1 in 31 patients will develop a healthcare-associated infection, or HAI, and many of those come from contaminated surfaces. That's why microfiber has become the gold standard for infection control. Hospitals trust it to create cleaner, safer environments, and laundries rely on it for durability and performance. Compared to cotton, microfiber cleans better, lasts longer, and reduces chemical use, all while improving safety and efficiency. Microfiber works differently. Each towel is made from split polyester and nylon fibers that grab and hold dirt and bacteria instead of spreading them around. The result? Up to 99% bacteria removal with just water, compared to only 30% with cotton. It's also tougher and more cost-efficient. Heavier towel weights, like ADI's 250 GSM design, means better absorbency, longer life, and fewer replacements, giving laundries more turns per product and lower costs per use. Our towels are built for healthcare performance. 250 GSM weight for better absorbency and durability, multiple size options including 16 by 16 and 12 by 12 size, easy to handle and lint-free, designed for industrial laundering and consistent performance wash after wash. They're used across patient rooms, dietary areas, and hospital kitchens, anywhere that needs high cleaning standards and reliability. For floors, microfiber technology goes even further. ADI mops remove more bacteria than cotton alone, cover more surface area, and dry faster, helping staff clean faster and safer. Our DuraFiber mops and UltraFiber mops last over 1,000 washings, doubling the life of most competitor pads. Lightweight hardware reduces strain for staff, and our fold-over design cleans floors and baseboards in just one pass, improving speed and ergonomics. This means fewer tools, faster room turns, and better infection control. Many hospitals use color coding systems with microfiber to prevent cross-contamination. A simple, effective infection control best practice makes a real-world impact. When facilities switch to ADI microfiber, they see results: cleaner rooms and reduced infection risk, faster, more efficient cleaning with less chemical use, hundreds more wash turns, saving time and money for laundries. One large healthcare system reported better infection control and lower costs after replacing cotton with ADI microfiber, with products lasting multiple times longer in service. At the end of the day, microfiber helps hospitals clean smarter, and ADI helps them do it better. Our towels, mops, and hardware are engineered for healthcare environments, tested for industrial laundering, and proven to deliver safer, cleaner, and more cost-efficient results. Cleaner surfaces, safer patients, lower costs. That's the ADI advantage.